Look at these two small little unsung heroes of your fixture table kit. These are side push clamps. A lot of the fixture kits will come with this smaller one, which essentially looks like a table stop, but with a threaded clamping bar going right through it at a very slight downward angle. The reason that's important is because as you're clamping up against a piece or a part, if you were just to have a perfectly horizontal bar, it would push, but it does nothing for the downward pressure. As we all may know, when you push laterally against something, it may have the tendency to lift a little bit. So this downward angle essentially ensures that no lift will occur when using these side clamps. So again, this is the smaller size, and then this is the XL size. And one thing you'll notice with this XL size over the smaller one is that there's a pin on both ends. It gives me the flexibility to position it however I see fit. I can either have the clamping screw much closer to the table surface, or if I flip it over, it's a little higher off the table and accomplishes the same task, just giving you that flexibility. You'll also notice copper screw. So with this copper coating, we essentially eliminate that problem with having weld splatter stick and having to clean them off before you can use them again.